everybody, this is Kristin with Evolution for Hair, and I wanted to come on and talk to you guys about scaling and flaky scalp and how to remove those scales and flakes from your scalp or from your client's scalp. So a lot of people are doing like a scratching method, and I just wanted to give you guys an alternative. So that last slide showed the products that I used, and here is a video of me applying that solution that I mixed. So I mixed that Nezerol shampoo, the jojoba oil, and water into an applicator bottle, and I am strategically covering my client's entire scalp with this solution. And as you notice, I'm not scratching or doing any aggressive scraping. I am only rubbing the solution into her scalp, and what it's doing is it's dissolving the flakes that are covering her scalp. So this is a much better way to remove those flakes, as you're not scratching and agitating the skin and causing a separate condition like an infection or bleeding or what have you. And as you see here, the solution is not dripping, so it's not a very messy process because the solution that I created is thick enough to not run down my client's face. So I used to have that problem when I was using astringents on my client's scalp to clean them, but this solution is a lot better as far as that's concerned. So here I have completely covered her scalp in the shampoo, oil, water solution, and I am now just massaging her scalp and breaking up any leftover residue that's still, sticking to her scalp. So I'm being careful not to scratch her scalp again, because I don't want to cause any irritation or anything, but I do want to make sure that I'm breaking up all of the flakes that are attached to her scalp. So that's what I'm doing here. I just made sure I felt all over her scalp to make sure that there's nothing there. So when I take her to the shampoo bowl, I'm not having to do any scraping or anything. So this is the products that I mixed to shampoo her hair with, that Nezerol, and I used Basic Hair Care's carbon tea tree shampoo. So what I showed when this video clip first started was me showing you my fingertips and just signaling that that's what I'm doing here in this clip. I'm using my fingertips instead of scratching. And here is the final picture of her scalp. It's clean, clear, and free from any debris or flakes or scales. So that is it, and I hope that this was helpful in assisting you guys in a removal of thick, flaky, scaly flakes that might be on your scalp or your client's scalp. So thank you for watching.